Hey folks, still a big temperature contrast across the valley tonight. 70s in the east, 60s in the west. You saw Trace in Rio Grande City with a jacket on. If you're along the coast, you don't need the jacket. And right now the winds are out of the east coming off the Gulf, the warm Gulf to about here. And if you're in the western part of the valley, the winds are from the west. So you've got a cool wind that way, a warm wind this way. Eventually that warm wind will win out and everybody will warm up. Let's look at the temperatures. By tomorrow morning, most of us are in the 60s, but by tomorrow afternoon, pushing 80 in a few places, upper 70s for the most part. The clouds are going to stick around and it's going to be hard to get a whole lot of sunlight in here, so it's hard to get temperatures warming up much, but that wind eventually coming out of the east will help warm things up. And then on Sunday, we start the day at 70. That's 7 a.m. already at 70 degrees, and by afternoon, you're back up into the upper 80s. And then notice it cools off a little bit. That next front sneaks through, drops temperatures a couple of degrees, and then we go to Monday morning. We start at 70 again. So the front has little or no impact. We're back in the 80s Monday afternoon. So that's a front almost in name only. The impact minimal. We go 84 Sunday, 81 Monday, back to 83 on Tuesday. Tomorrow only 77 because of the clouds and the showers, which may linger into Sunday, even Monday as well. But after that, look, it's up, up, up into the end of next week, close to 90 by the end of the week. Radar tonight continues to show spotty showers moving across the region. Some of this is ground clutter, some of it's real rain. The stuff that's moving is real rain, and you can see there's a little bit of it out there, so the roads are still slippery in at least a few spots. The heaviest stuff has been in Cameron County tonight. Future Track says we'll continue to see the light rain and drizzle into tomorrow. A little spottier tomorrow, not as widespread as what it's been, and it's still light, nothing more than a shower. Shouldn't get more than 1/10 of an inch of rain. Into Sunday, same kind of thing, clouds and probably a couple of showers, maybe a little thinning of the clouds late in the day, so you might see a brightening of the sky in the afternoon on Sunday. But still, chance of rain's 40% tomorrow, 30, then 20 on Monday. After that, we dry out because while that front doesn't bring any cool air, it does bring some drier air into the region. That should cool things off. I don't think it's 1 in Tuscaloosa. I think that might be wrong, but all these other numbers are right. And look how cold it is up in the upper Midwest tonight. Winter has arrived. It's 21 in St. Cloud, 21 in Marquette. Oshkosh, 28, some chilly weather on the weather map tonight. That air is going more eastward than southward. That's why it's not coming here and cooling us off again. Still 62 in San Diego and 65 in Tucson tonight. So for us, 63 for a low, cloudy and cool, probably warmer at the coast with a little drizzle from time to time. Then tomorrow, a lot of clouds and again, light showers back up to 77. Winds start in the northwest, turn out of the southeast. And again, if you're along the coast, winds are already out of the east or southeast. We warm it up next week. The chance of rain just kind of fades away by Tuesday. And once it fades away, it stays away for a while. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.